Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson. Welcome back to a new video. Today, I'm wanting to give you some inspiration. So we're going to be looking through Behance, which is an amazing Adobe portfolio website where you can post your own work so prospective clients can find you. The great thing about Behance is that there are so many amazing people creating amazing work in every field, from logo design, branding, graphic design, 3D, everything. And today I want to walk through it and find some of the best projects that I find today and show you them to inspire you. If you're new to the channel and you like this sort of content, consider subscribing. It's completely free, and if you decide you don't like it, then you can always unsubscribe later. This video is brought to you by FreshBooks. Okay, so we're on the main homepage. Let's have a look through some of the best ones that I can see. Ooh, I do like this one. I'll link all of these ones down below so you guys can find them afterwards so I can properly accredit the designers. So Le Menza Cafe and Restaurant. Let's have a look at the brand mood board. This is the type of mood board that you want. When you're showing your design process, having this kind of mood board in here works nicely. You can see how it all fits together with this browns, the blues and the greens. We've got this sort of gray and it looks very natural. So we can see where he's going for in the color scheme of this. Trying to find restaurant things. There's no logos in sight. There's no design in sight, rather than just products that he's seeing that you would find in restaurants to try and give the feel and the vibe. And here's the design style. So he's had a look at different styles of logos and found the style that he likes, which is this monoline or this line artwork logo. Can be seen as generic, but it's really nowadays really popular because it works. It's very elegant and you can do a lot within it, and it's easy to create. It's just one line. Here's the logo element. So a serving dish, tea leaves and plant, and a coffee cup. So he's got the three images and then he's created icons. So he's simplified them down to get this. And when showing the logo design, it's important to tell the story. So we're seeing where his brain's been. Basically, he's showing his working out. And a lot of you guys, when creating logo designs and portfolios, miss out on this. It's very important. So Zainab, the woman who created this, has done a really good job in showing the story all the way throughout. We can see here the logo. So we've got everything incorporated in here, and you can see even the typeface works really nicely. It's a monoline typeface with really nice space around it, with the color scheme, the line artwork, really abstract stuff. Logo color variation, the structure. So this is the construction of the logo with an English translation all the way to their own translation. I love it when people show the working of their work. This is insane. Even the fonts and the typefaces they've used and the mock-ups of this is unreal. This is the type of portfolio that will get you the work. The color scheme and everything is just so nice. The business cards with the gold foil edges. If you're looking for inspiration for your brand portfolio, this is the one to look for. Now, I'm not really a 3D type of guy. I don't show much of my process behind it, but I'm a huge fan of seeing 3D. We can see here that I'm probably going to butcher his name, but it's Magdiel who's created this amazing piece of work. This portfolio piece screams to me professionalism and a bit of fun. So having a welcome screen that looks like that, insanely nice. So this portfolio piece is all about cartoon characters from inspired by the past. So he's creating 3D models of them, which I love. Check out that. It's such a simple design as well, but the way that he's composed it in the portfolio makes it look so clean. It's just so perfect. Look at all the sort of drips coming off this, making it look like it's been blown back. All of this amazing work. I Need Pizza, that one's really cool. I love the black and white art style in here. If you're someone who wants to work more on like 3D, then show this. Show what you can do. Even if this is not like a paid project and you're just passionate about 3D, and maybe now you do like brand design or whatever, doing this sort of thing, creating content around what you want to do and showcasing it will land you more jobs. I love how clean everything looks. Oh, this one's right up my street, Mars. This was featured in graphic design. So there's not much on here, but I guess it's a redesign. So that I love the look of this logo. It's so simple. You just got the red planet in there. Mars, it's like a crest, a badge that people can use. The actual typeface as well looks very similar to NASA. So it's got all the waves and the curvatures and the star in there. I love the way that they've created the A in there. That's insane. So this is created by Raphael Serra. Even this one here, you've got a really cool style, a very blocky style that works nice and well. This is like a rebrand for Coca-Cola, and I love the idea of this one as well. The negative space used with these geometric lines is a really creative way. Obviously, this couldn't really be used as a logo, I don't think, but the idea behind it is that you're showing your style. This blocky style works really nice. This IKEA logo, dude, that's unreal. Taking everything in a block is really nice. Lidl, everyone loves a Lidl. I love the simplification of everything just into these simple blocks and shapes. If you've done this yourself, consider creating a portfolio page for it. Microsoft, nice. Before I go into the next one, I just want to thank the sponsor of this video, FreshBooks. Whether you're a full-time freelancer or part-time, FreshBooks will save you hours on your billing, so invoicing and gathering up expenses. Admin tasks as a freelance designer is just a nonsense thing. It takes so long, but FreshBooks allows you to save time. FreshBooks users save up to 46 hours a month just by using FreshBooks because of all of its automative features. My favorite feature in FreshBooks is being able to see when a client has viewed an invoice. So when you invoice a client and they say, I didn't see it, well, you now know they did. And a cool little fact for you about FreshBooks is that those who use FreshBooks get paid on average 18 days faster whilst using it, which again, who doesn't like to be paid faster? So if you'd like to try FreshBooks for completely free, risk-free, no credit card required for 30 days, then go ahead and click the link in the description below and let them know that Will Paterson, me, sent you to them. Now this one's from Melina Cosmica. This one looks really cool. It's on the front of the graphic design page here. And these logo marks, I love. Specifically this one, although it's very detailed, it's just so simple. You can see it's just a block with like sun rays in it, or even just an aperture, if you know what I mean. I love the simplicity and the way that they're just showing the logos without any other information. I like this sometimes when you're doing a logo folio, when you just want to show people your work without explaining things. This one here is cool as well, the Dream Studios. It shows the distortion in dreams between reality, and then it's also connecting in. Simple idea, executed ridiculously well. Great example of negative space on this one too. Obviously there's no context between these, but I love the idea of them. I love how they look. Even from here, this one, I love the idea of the different languages. I would love to be able to create something like this, but I can't. This is a perfect example of a logo that's so handmade, but looks really good. It's got a lot of character to it. I love the typography of the 1731. That's probably one of my favorite logos I've seen in a while. It's just so beautifully done. And again, we can all see these styles. He's really good at this logo type design. Oof, how clean is that? So many clean but rustic logos in here, but then we get stuff like this, the algo one, with he's just taken the idea of the A, L, G, and O, everything being circular, and made it fit so perfectly. I absolutely love this one. The Holy Grit. The composition in there works so nicely. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, press that red subscribe button and let me know if you want me to create more inspiration for you on YouTube. I love looking through people's portfolios and seeing what they do. Not just you guys, but obviously some more grounded designers, people who've been in this for a while, who've got amazing portfolios. It's great to gain inspiration from it. All the links to the portfolios are down below, so go check them out, give them a follow, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.